Yo, today I'm going to show you guys how to get a free Shein gift card. So what you want to do is go to this website. It's called ogsnags.com. Can't really type, but it's a super sick website, guys, where you can actually get free Shein gift cards. So once you're on the site, guys, just go to the search bar and type in Shein. And as you can see, it's a Shein coupon, so go ahead and press on it, press show coupon code, and it's going to generate your Shein coupon. Now, before it generates it, guys, you're going to have to press the button that says get full code. It's going to bring you over to a new page. And on this page, guys, it's going to ask you, like, what do you plan to do with it? And, like, what do you like about Shein? So I'll just say super low prices. And now it's going to ask you for your email address. So this is a very important part of the process because they're going to be basically using that email address to send you the code. So let me just put in my email address right here. So after you enter your email, guys, go ahead and press continue. You can see it says activating your reward. And the next thing we have to do is a survey and registration. So registration is very simple. We just have to fill out all our info. This is just because they're not going to just willy-nilly give out Shein gift cards to like fake people. They need to make sure you're real. So let me just put it in right here. As you can see, all right, just typing in all my info. Pretty simple. All right, let me just go ahead and put this in right here so you can see. All right, pretty easy. All right, so the next thing we need to do is a survey. Now, I think the survey is actually optional, but I'm just going to do it so I can show you guys how. So let me just answer all the questions here as you can see. All right, so I'm just answering all these questions. Pretty easy. So let me just go ahead and do that right here as you guys can see. All right, so yeah, it's pretty simple. So basically, guys, after you do your survey, you will have to do a deal, which is pretty easy. So let me just finish the survey right here. As you can see, all right, so I'm just answering all the questions. All right, so let me just do that right here so you can see. All right, so the next thing we need to do is the deal. So let me just finish the survey. All right, just finishing it. All right, and I'm going to press I agree and continue. And now it's going to bring me to the deal. So the deals are really easy. They're like download a game and reach level 10. This is the final requirement. So let me just show you guys right here. So as you can see, it's going to say like survey and like deal and all that. So survey done, optional offers finished, and now deal. So the deals are really easy, as I said. So let's just wait for it to load. You just gotta do one deal. You can see it's like a game or something. So I'll see you later. But as you can see, it's like reach board 18 or whatever. So just do one of these. They're all free. You can see cost $0, and it'll be good.